This video I will explain credit cards are good or bad. Credit cards are a type of payment tool that allows you to borrow money from the bank or financial institute to make purchases. They can be very useful if you used responsibly, but they can be lead to financial problem if you misused. We will see the advantages and disadvantages of credit cards to help you to decide if they are good or bad for you. What are the advantages of credit cards? First point is convenience. Credit cards are easy to carry and widely accepted for payments in stores, online, and even abroad. You don't need to carry cash everywhere. Next point is build credit history. Using credit card responsibly helps you to build a good credit score, which is important for getting loans, mortgage, or better interest rates in the future. Next point is rewards and benefits. Many credit cards offer cashback, reward points, or discounts on the purchase. Some cards also provide travel perks like free airport lounge access or travel insurance. Next point is emergency funds. Credit cards can be a lifesaver in emergencies when you need money quickly. For example, paying for car repairs or medical bills. Next point is purchase protection. Credit cards often comes with fraud protection and warranty extensions on purchases, keeping you safe from scams or faulty products. If your card is stolen or misused, you can report it and you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. Next point is interest free period. Most credit cards offer an interest free period, usually 20 to 50 days, to pay back what you owe without extra charges. What are the disadvantages of credit cards? First point is high interest rates. If you don't pay your full balance on time, credit cards charge high interest rates, which can quickly increase your debt. Next point is debt trap. It is easy to overspend with a credit card, which leads to unmanageable debt if you are not careful. Next point is fees and charges. Credit cards come with annual fees, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees, which can add up over time. Negative impact on credit score. Missing payments or maxing out your credit limit can hurt your credit score, making it harder to get loans in the future. Next point is temptation to spend. Having a credit card can make it tempting to buy things you don't need, which leads to unnecessary expenses. Next point is complex terms and conditions. Credit card agreements can be hard to understand with hidden fees or conditions that may catch you off guard. When credit cards are good. Credit cards are good if you pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest. You use them to earn rewards or build credit. You need them for emergencies or online purchases. When credit cards are bad. Credit cards are bad if you overspend and cannot pay back the money. You only make minimum payments, which leads to high interest and debt. You use them for impulse purchases or things you cannot afford. What are the tips for using credit cards responsibly? First point is pay on time. Always pay your full balance before the due date to avoid interest and fees. Next point is track spending. Keep eye on your spending to avoid overspending. Next point is set budget. Only use your credit card for purchases you can afford. Fourth point is avoid cash advances. Cash withdrawals on credit cards often come with high fees and interest rates. Next point is read the fine print. Understand the terms and condition of your credit card to avoid surprises. Credit cards can be good if you used responsibly, offering convenience, rewards, and financial flexibility. However, they can also be bad if misused, leading to debt and financial stress. The key is to spend wisely, pay on time, and avoid unnecessary purchases.